Assalamualaikum and hi Dr. Sharina. My name is Muhammad Azri bin Azmi. I am from Group 5. Today we want to present about the task that we get from subject Statistics for Management, code PPA 12303. And our title is Correlation of Student Study Hours versus Student Grade. Next, I will introduce my group member. This is Nurul Zuhairah binti Hussein, Muhammad Hezman bin Asli, Muhammad Fidaus bin Nur Azman, and Muhammad Afan bin Muhammad Afendi. Okay, I will continue for introduction part. Statistical analysis is the collection and interpretation of data to uncover pattern and trend. It is a component of data analytics. Statistical analysis can be used in situations like gathering research interpretation, statistical modeling, or designing survey and studies. In this presentation, we want to do the calculation to determine the relationship between two variables. We want to determine the relation between students' study hours and their grade.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hezman bin Asli, AP 210476. Data survey. The data survey we did a data study of study hour and the student grade achievement. In our data survey, we had 13 respondents. The student study hour data show that average student time of less than 1 hour of the study had 6.7%. However, the data that has been collected show that average study time of student in 2 hours, which a total 11 student equivalent to 36.7%. Student grade data achievement. The average grade of student for grade C+ is 3.3%. However, the data as we collected show that the average grade of student achievement is 3.67 A-, which a total of 11 students equivalent to 36.7%.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fidaus bin Nur Azman. My metric number is AP210518. Okay, the first one, we go to the formula. Okay, what formula we use in this project? Okay, the first formula we use in this project is the least square regression line. Second one, we use the correlation of coefficient. The last one, we use the coefficient of determination to find the fit line for this graph. Okay, for the second one, data table. From the data table, we can see the student UTHM study hour per day, and we can see the grade achieved for the student UTHM. Okay, from the data table, we can see the lowest one is a 2.33 grade achievement. 2.33 pointer is only student hour is only 1 hour per day. Okay, we compare to the highest is 4 pointer grade achievement. This is the highest one. It is because the study hour is 5 hours per day. There are great students which study hour 5 hours per day, and they will get a 4 pointer for the grade achievement. Okay, for the last one, scalar plot for the data. We get the data from the survey to UTHM student. Okay, at the graph we have a grade achievement percentage vs a student per day. Okay, we can see at graph the highest one is 5 5-hour study and they get a 4-pointer, and the lowest one is only 1 hour study and get a 2.33 pointer, and the second lowest is they study 2 hour but they get a 2.67 pointer. Okay, we can conclude from the data at the graph. When the student study more hour, they will get a good result for their study and get a good grade to achieve from the study. Okay, for the student, you must be study smart, not study hard. That's all from me. Okay, we go to the next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Zahira binti Hussein. So here I am going to continue the next part, which is linear regression line. Firstly, the total of student UTHM study hour per day is 84, which represent as X, and the total of grade achieved are 98.37%, which represent as Y. The total X multiply Y is 284.45, while the total of X square is 266 and Y square is 327.71. Next, we move to the next slide, which is X refer to student study hour and Y refer to the grade achieved. X bar 80, 84 over 30 equal to 2.8, and Y bar is 98.37 over 30 equal to 3.28. If we count the XXY, which is 284.46 minus 1 over 30 multiply with 84 and 98.37, we will get 9.02. And SXX, with the same ways, we can get 664.80. Then the total of the least square line is 3.241. Next, y equal to 3.241 plus 0.014 for x. If x equal to 30, the final answer must be 3.661. Next, the correlation coefficient is the specific measure that quantifies the strength of the linear relationship between two variables in a correlation analysis. The coefficient is what we symbolize with the R in a correlation report. As we refer to the slide that we have made, R equal to 0.769 for the correlation of coefficient. Meanwhile, the coefficient of determination R square is a statistical measure in a regression model that determines the proportion of variance in the dependent variable that can be explained by the independent variable. In other words, the coefficient of determination tells one how well the data fit the model. As we refer to the slide, the R square are equal to 55.1%. This means that a higher coefficient indicates a better fit for the model.
Thank you, Zohaira, for the presentation about the simple linear regression. Next part is conclusion. In conclusion, statistics can be summarized and simplify a large amount of numerical data. By using statistics, one can draw conclusion about data. It also helps communicate findings clearly and meaningfully to others. Correlational of coefficient are used to assess the strength and direction of the linear relationship between pair of variables. That's all from us. Thank you.